Fairmont Hotel. We're here at Fairmont Hotel. Dito gagawin yung reception ni Kaisel, ano? Reception ni Kaisel and Mawel for their wedding. Ayan, ito yung ating mother of the groom. Wow, dyan yung reception. Wow! Ito ang kanilang reception hall. Wow! Ang ganda, ha? Welcome, wedding of Kaisel and Mawel. Wow, February 14. Ang ganda. Oh! Ang galing naman. Teka lang, wait. Tingnan natin dito. Wow. Wow, ayan po yung mga entourage. Karandang and Besa wedding. At Fairmont Hotel. Ganda. So, ito po. We're here at Fairmont Hotel, mga sis. Ayan. Actually, first time ko rin dito. So, that's why I'm so blessed today. I'm so happy. Ayan, na-invite tayo ng Besa and Karandang family. Ayan po. Nasa Fairmont Hotel tayo. Ano hotel? McDonald, no? Okay. Can you say something, madam? As a parent?
We are so blessed na kami ay nakasama sa mga guests.
Actually, you're one of the main guests.
Yeah.
Ayan. Yan po ang napakaganda nating mother ng ating groom. Ayan. So happy. Ayan po. Ito yung ating reception hall. Ito yung reception hall nila. Ito yung pinakababa, no?
Ano to yung
lobby. Yung lobby. Lobby ng Fairmont Hotel. So, ang ganda.
para makita lang natin.
Oh, yun nga eh. Wow, so nice.
Nice.
Wow. Pumasok tayo sa room ng ng reception nila. Actually, this afternoon pa yung reception. So, nagpunta lang kami kagad just to glance yung ating event mamaya. Wow, look at that. Wow! Wow! So elegant. Ayan po. Yeah, mga kasimple, I just want to share a small clips of the wedding of Karandang and Besa couple. Ayan, couple to be. Ayan, this afternoon pa yung wedding nila. So, ayan, buti pinayagan tayo ng Fairmont Hotel para makita yung ating reception mamaya, reception hall.
May mga names.
Wow! Ay! Wow! Nakita ko kagad yung name ko! So, katabi natin yung principal sponsor kasi nandito tayo sa ating ayan. Magnininang tayo. Kasama natin yung parents. Ang ganda naman. So, hindi pa to nilalagyan ng sis, ito.
Kasi galing sa
Alas
kapilya.
12 pa, di ba, kamo?
Yung manggagaling sa kapilya.
Ilalagay dito.
May flowers pa yun.
Very elegant. No? Yeah. Ayan, guys. Kung gusto niyo magpaano dito, pwede din sa Fairmont Hotel. So, ilan ang nito, sis? Capacity?
Pinareserve nila 60, 70.
Itong space na to. 2, 4, 6, 7, depende sa seats.
Kasi pinareserve nila, lang, 7.
Very intimate nga siya. Very intimate. Hindi siya magulo, no? Ang ganda.
Ito na pinakamalakas.
Ay, maganda pa bilog. Ang ganda. Tapos dito. Dito sila pwedeng sumayaw-sayaw. Naku, rarampa dyan si mamaya. Si Bebeng. Ang ganda. O, diba? Fairmont Hotel. Ayan. Yan yung mga gamit nila. Yan. Ayan po. Fairmont Hotel. Ayan. Thank you. See you later. Sa ating hall, reception hall. Ayan, isasarada. Okay na. Sige, paalam na tayo. Restaurant nila. Oh, close pa. Very ano siya, no? Parang antique na antique, no?
Yeah.
Antique na antique, guys. Tignan nyo, guys, oh.
Cashier.
Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito?
Cash register.
Kailan ba ito na-build? Itong ano na to, Fairmont. Imagine mo, sis. Ito pa yung dating cashier nila. It's so antique. Ayan. Ang ganda.
We're just trying to go around first and later, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Let's go.
Wow. So nice. Ngayon ako nakapasok dito.
Hindi ko maikakasal.
Kung di pa kinasal si Kaisel, hindi pa ako makakarating ng Fairmont Hotel. Kaya imagine nyo naman, guys. Love is a gamble registration. Wow! Love is a gamble.
Valentine's.
Ay, oo nga pala. Valentine's Day pala.
There's an activity ongoing here.
Oh,
Later,
yeah. That's why. So, love is a gamble daw. Yeah. Oh, diba? Ganda. Sa taas tayo. Wow. Ano tayo number niya? 6th floor.
Yeah.
Grabe, tignan nyo naman, oh. Talagang antique na elevator talaga to. Ayan, guys. Kasi matagal na talaga ang Fairmont Hotel, yes. Diba? Hindi pa yata ako pinapanganak, Fairmont na to. So, ayan. Look at that, oh. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa 6th floor. Wow, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda ng kanilang frame. Oh, diba? Look. Wow, ang ganda. Happy talaga si Mother. Yan po ang ating mother ng ating group.
Yes.
Oh, yan. Ang ganda, oh. Yan, guys. I-share natin yung ating, today, mga kaganapan. Ayan. Makita man lang ninyo yung ating, Fairmont Hotel dito na ating gagawa ng, reception sa wedding mamaya. Sobrang antique, oh. Anong panahon? Walang nakalagay, kung anong year. Walang nakalagay. As in, lumang-luma. Ayan, dito na ang aming room. Ayan. Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot na kami. Yan lang. Reception hall. Binisita na namin. Oo, ganda. So nice. Ang mother of the groom.
Love it. Okay, eye cream sa bakas din.
Ang ganda naman ng bride natin. Okay lang, di naman halata.
When you take this off, it's all...
So you put the pink there.
It's so straight and it doesn't curl at all. So I have to either do it overnight or just be like, well,
it's like a softer Hollywood.
So like that's
It helps frame surface too.
yeah. When I got here,
So I guess I need higher.
so I use mousse.
No,
So I
we're
put it
softer
in
and a bit
before I put it up.
It's good to
And then I
start
just
like that.
slept with it in and then did it to the right. So hopefully, no, it looks really good.
That's the thing, like, because I don't have style hair.
Yeah.
But you don't want to style it, like, you want to keep, curly.
Alright.
So do you want it a little bit higher
than
this, or how do you want how high?
Yeah, especially
Just like that.
Maybe you can take picture.
yeah.
Okay.
It's just like
So turn around there.
So it's there if you want to just look nice and
And this is how it is right now.
Ah. Sis, parang ikaw yung bride. Grabe naman siya.
Huwag siyang Nagawan siya.
decide how you want it to Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just ask some of the students. Some of their stuff first.
Oh, this is very fitting for the wedding.
I know. The ball.
You gotta have to do your.
Ay. Jam, come here. Come here. Jam. Jam, dali. Jam.
Awesome, okay. Thank you. No, you'll have to toss it again. Because the last one standing will be the, yes, you remember. Not too high. Okay, ready? Go! Wow! Okay, yes. Thank you.
Ako may pag-asa.
One more. Ready? Get set, go! So, please do the honor. Thank you. You have to toss it as well. Okay, turn around and then go! Wow! Okay, thank you. Okay, ready? No violence, please. No pushing. Oh, whoever wins gonna take home Giselle, as long as you bring Mawel with him. Okay, ready? Get set, go! Oh, thank you.